Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to promote affiliate links. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I just want to share a few tips when it comes to promoting affiliate links. And I'm also going to be sharing a few different resources that you can use to promote your affiliate links on. Now, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing or you're having trouble making sales and getting people to click on your affiliate links, then this video is going to help you out. But before I go any further, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if this is your first time here on my channel and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Now, you might just be thinking, okay, it's pretty simple to promote your affiliate links. All you got to do is just copy your affiliate link and then just post it anywhere that you want on the internet. And I mean, you can do that, but that's not a winning strategy. If you're doing that, then more than likely you're just having a hard time making sales when it comes to affiliate marketing. Sure, you might get a couple of people here and there to click on your affiliate link, and maybe they might buy that product, maybe. But the majority of people who see a random link on the internet posted by somebody that they don't know, they're not going to pull out their credit card and buy that product. So basically, what I wanted to share in this video is how to promote affiliate links the right way. So basically, whenever you're going to be promoting an affiliate link, you should be delivering value first. So whatever product that you're promoting, you should know who your target audience is and what are some of the struggles that they're dealing with. You should have a good understanding of something that your audience is going to be interested in buying. Then you should be creating content that's going to be valuable to them. So for example, if you're in the health and fitness niche and you're promoting a weight loss supplement as an affiliate product, what's something that the people in your niche are dealing with? What's a problem that they're struggling with? Maybe it's probably that they're struggling to lose weight. Maybe they might have poor eating habits. Maybe they just lack the right kind of education that they need when it comes to eating properly. So this is something that you should be addressing to your target audience if this is the niche that you're in. So you can create content, something that's going to be explaining the right amount of calories that somebody should be eating a day, how much protein they should consume a day, how much carbs, and how much fat. Now, something like this is going to catch the attention of your target audience because since you're in the health and fitness niche, then they're going to be interested in that as well because they're looking to live a healthier life, maybe look better. Maybe they want to live longer, so they want to practice good eating habits. So obviously, this is something that's going to be interesting to them. So when I say that you should be creating content that's going to be delivering valuable information to your target audience, it can be written content, it can be in the video format, or even in a podcast. So if you're going to go with written content, the best way that I would recommend is by starting a blog. So once you create your content and you're delivering value, the person who's going through that content, they're reading it, they're getting value. What you can do is give them a call to action. You can just simply say, hey, if you enjoyed this content, if you got some value from this, and you're serious about living a better or healthier life, and you want to lose some weight, check out this product. And you can just redirect them to your affiliate link for that weight loss product that you're promoting. Now, people who are struggling to lose weight, more than likely they're going to be open to buy that product because you're addressing a problem that they're already dealing with and you're delivering value. So you're building a bit of trust and they're more likely to click on that affiliate link and buy that product. Now let me talk about a few different resources that you can use to start promoting affiliate links. So like I just mentioned, you can create your own blog site. As long as your blog article or your blog website is focusing on a certain niche that you're going to be involved with, eventually you're going to start to build up traction and people are going to come across your content and they're more likely to click on your affiliate link because after a while you're going to start to build up trust if you're building or if you're delivering value consistently in each blog post. Now I know some people, they might not like the idea of just sitting down and writing blog post after blog post, but it does work. So I mean, it's not for everybody, but that's something that I would recommend if you're somebody who doesn't mind just writing blog articles after blog articles. Another great resource that you can use is a website called Quora.com. So this is basically a question and answer website. So anybody can sign up for this website and they can ask a question about a wide variety of different topics, and you can also answer your own questions. You can remain anonymous, so if you ask a question and you answer that question, nobody else is going to see that you're answering your own question. Now the reason why this is important is because if somebody has a similar question, they're more likely to see that answer that you wrote yourself regarding that topic. So for example, if you're typing in a question saying how to make money online, and you answer that question saying affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, or drop shipping, or Amazon FBA, people who have similar questions related to that, they're gonna come across that answer. So that's another website that I would recommend you guys check out, and that's a good resource to promote your affiliate links. But like I mentioned, it's always good to deliver value up front so people can start to build up a little bit of rapport with you or build up trust. Because like I mentioned, they're not just gonna click on a random affiliate link and click on a product and buy it. And I think you'll get flagged if you keep on doing that on Quora. So another great resource that you can use is a great platform that you're on right now called YouTube. And this is basically what a lot of people are using to promote their affiliate products besides making money from ad revenue. So more than likely, if you've ever done a review video, if you looked up a review video on a specific product that you're interested in buying, you've come across people who are doing reviews about, let's say, the newest cameras, the newest smartphones, the newest laptops. And usually they give you an in-depth review about the product. They compare it to another product. They might talk about the pros and cons about that product. They talk about all the features. And usually what they do is they refer you to a link in the description of their video if you want to buy that product for yourself. And that's going to be an affiliate link for them. So if you click on that link and you buy that product, then that means they earn a commission. Now you see a lot of these big time YouTubers reviewing products where they have an affiliate link in the description of their video. And they usually get millions of views on that specific video. So you know people are clicking on that link and they're buying that product. So you know they're making money just by reviewing that product. So that's basically how you promote your affiliate links the right way. Like I mentioned, if you're just going out there and spamming your affiliate links all over the internet, that's not really a winning strategy. So always lead with value. Well, that's basically all that I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you're interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, then check out the first link in the top of the description to learn more. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.